O, pakak, may pa-entrance ng ate nyo. Eto na nga. Another month, another record. Charis, may pa to, Mother's Day. Anyway, ang daming entry. Pumunta kami dito sa may cafe 1023, which is located in Imus, Cavite. Huwag yun ang pansinin yung likod ni ate. Hindi ko na rin pinansin. Basta tinikman na lang namin yung pastries. And also, napakaganda ng vibe talaga ng cafe. Very aesthetic and sobrang cozy as well. Plus 10 million kasi pet friendly yung cafe. So you can bring your fur babies. Ang saya, diba? Tsaka yung mga bata, yung mga anak nyo. Pwede nyo rin dalhin, mga ate ko. For drinks naman, iced tea, 10/10. Hindi masyado matamis. Cappuccino, medyo matapang daw. And then yung matcha latte, okay siya, goods. Yung strawberry craft naman nila is parang Starbucks lang. And then yung butterfly pea lemonade is 10/10. Here are the foods that we ordered. Nachos, hindi ganun masyado kasarap kasi kulang sa flavor. Toppings as well. Cinnamon, I'm not sure kay kuya. And then yung garlic parmesan, sobrang sarap. Grabe. Ito ako ang buhay ko. Pati dito sa matcha cheesecake na to, sobrang sarap. And then yung pistachio, masarap pa din yung sa may bread talk. And then yung isang donut, I'm not really sure. Pero okay naman daw. Pesto is good. It's okay. And the beef tapa as well is highly recommended. And yep, as you can see, ganito ako magpanggap. Charis! Ayan, si ate nyo, nagaganda-gandahan na naman habang kumakain. Ate, kuhanan mo ko, videohan mo ko habang kumakain. Ang sarap. Ciao! Bye!